Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 125. If we start with this box, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. For this row, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here. So 6, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 8, and 9. We've got a 1 and 9 here, so this is our 8. That 1 makes this our 9, 1. For this box now, we're only missing a 6. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 8. We've got a 4 here and a 4 here, so our 4 must be here. I don't see any other help. So 3, 8, 3, 8. For this column, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 5. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 8. No help here. 2, 3, 8. 3 here, so 2, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got a 1 and 2 here, so this is our 6. I don't see any other help. So 1, 2, 1, 2. For this box now, we're missing 1, 4, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so this is our 1. Don't see any other help. So 4, 9, 4, 9. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. For this column, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 9, 4 here, so 7, 9. That means the only place our 4 can be in that column is here, and that 4 makes this our 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 8. We've got a 1 and 4 here, so this is our 8. 4 here, so 1, 4. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 5, 6, and 8. No help here. 1, 5, 6, 8. We've got a 1 and 5 here, so 6, 8. 1 and 5 here, so 6, 8. 1 and 6 here, so 5, 8. So if we look now, the only place in that row our 1 can be is here, and the only place the 5 can be is here. If we look at this column, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 7, no help here, 2, 7, 8. For this row, we're missing 3 and 8, and I don't see any help, so 3, 8. For this bottom row, we're missing 2, 3, 6, and 8. No help here, 2, 3, 6, 8. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 3, 8. If we look, the only place our 6 can be is here. If we look at this row now, we're missing 2, 5, 7, and 9. We've got a 5, 7, and 9 here, so this is our 2. 7 and 9 here, so this is our 5. That 2 makes this our 7. That 7 makes this our 9, 7. So we can get rid of this 7. For this box now, we're missing 2, 6, and 8. And I don't see any help. So 2, 6, 8. For this box now, we're missing 3, 6, 8, and 9. We've got a 6 and 9 here. So 3, 8. 6 and 9 here. So 3, 8. No help here. 3, 6, 8, 9. If we look, the only place in that row our 9 can be is here. If we look at this column, the only place the 6 can be is here, and that 6 makes this our 8, 2, 6, and that 8 makes this our 3, and the 3 and 8 makes this our 2, 8. That 3 makes this our 8, 3, 8, 3, 8. For this row now, we've got 2 and 6, so this has to be our 8. And this 1 makes this our 2 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.